everybody, I hope you can see me on this. This is a really quick little video about some of the maths that you've been set for this week for my year 5 class. So it's all to do with addition and subtraction, and first thing you need to know is a couple of words up here that are going to be talked about. So digit refers to one of the numbers in a calculation. So it's not the whole number, the digit is just one of these. So that's a digit there, that's 7 or that's 0. So it's a single number in another number, would be an easiest way to explain it. And sum, now some of your adults around you will talk about sums. They might say do your sums. That's the wrong use of that word. Sum means add, and it's the total of something. So if we say what is the sum of 3 and 5, you would add the 3 and the 5 together. So sum always refers to adding. You can't use it if you talk about doing your sums. It doesn't refer to subtraction or multiplication or division. It's only for adding. So one of the problems you've got is this here, and it's a missing number problem. And it's really testing your understanding of column addition method. So we know for column addition, we always start on the right hand side here. And we're just going to go through this as if we were adding it, and we'll work out what these numbers are that are missing. So 7 plus 8 makes 15. And we know in column addition we would carry that 1 from the 10 over to here. So now I've got 5 plus something plus 1 makes something ending in 0. Now I can't make 0, so the next number that ends in a 0 would be 10. So 5 plus 1 makes 6, and what's missing from 10? That would be a 4. So that now works, but because that's made a 10, we would then carry another 1. We'll cross that one off. So now we've got 8 plus 6 plus 1. Now I know that 8 plus 6 makes 14, plus 1 is going to make 15. So again, I'm going to carry that 1. Now this one's interesting because now I've got 2 plus something plus 1 is going to make 3. Now it could be 13, but actually I'm looking at what comes next, which is 5 and 5, and adds something ending in 0, so that's not going to work. So I think this is actually going to be a total of 3. So 2 plus 1 plus nothing else is going to make 3. I've now got 5 and 5 makes 10, so I'm going to carry the 1. And I've got 4 plus 1 plus something makes 8. Well, 4 plus 1 is 5, so that would make 3 that's missing. So that's how you do your missing number questions. Now, very quickly, down here, I just want to recap column subtraction, because you're going to need that as well for this week. Column subtraction causes a bit more problem than addition. Addition's quite straightforward, really, but subtraction's a bit trickier. So again, we start at the right-hand side, and we're going to do the top, take away the bottom. So the first one I can do, because 1 take away nothing, makes 1. Now this is where column subtraction gets a bit trickier, because 3 take away 5 I can't do. If I have 3, I haven't got 5 to take away. So what I'm going to do, it's called decomposition, but actually we're just going to steal one of these from here. So instead of having 200s, I'm going to just put 100 and put the other one in front. Now I'm looking at it as if it's a 10, so that makes 13. That really is 130, but that's a bit complicated. So now I've got still those 2, but I've just put one of them there and one of them there. So I've got 13 take away 5, which makes 8. 1 take away 1 makes nothing. 3 take away 4, again I can't take 4 away from 3, so I'm going to steal one of these. So that 4 is going to become a 3, and the one I've stolen is going to go there. I've got 13 take away 4, which will make 9. And now I've got 3 take away 2, which makes 1, and that's my answer. So I hope that makes a bit more sense. Anyone that's struggling, just send me a message on Dojo and I will help where I can. Bye.